Ever felt your stomach growl, knowing it's already full? Wait, why? This rumbling's called borborygmi. Here's what's happening. Your intestines are in constant motion, digesting food. But when they're empty, that sound gets louder. Then comes the twist. Stress can turn up the volume. Anxiety hits your gut, ramping up those rumbles. So the next time you hear that growl, it might not be hunger. It could be your brain playing tricks. The important part is noticing the pattern before it becomes automatic. That tiny shift can change what your body prepares for next. Follow Neural Truth for more hidden science.